So this is the bike that I'm using for who is interested, and this is how I look during my filming. It's hot. Good afternoon. I'm here at a very nice Klong in the Bangrak area, and I want to show you guys around a little bit. This is part of the old town. It's not very difficult to get here. If you want to walk here, for example, you can go to Saphan Taksin with the BTS. And also, if you take a bicycle or a scooter tour with Go Bangkok tours, you will go through this area as well. We've been here before during a few live streams, but I thought it was time for a nice update. The weather's been beautiful today. We had a week of overcast, which doesn't stimulate me to bike and show you guys around, but today it's a beautiful day. Yeah, this area is famous for having a lot of repair shops for motors, and I will show it a little bit later. It's quite unique. This is along the river between Saphan Taksin and Chinatown. In the evening, this is a very popular place to go to as well. This little alleyway is very popular for the paintings, and they always use it as a kind of art gallery almost. See, this is a very famous place for local tourists. Oh. Zhou. It's a nice Chinese temple here. Directly on the river, so we are across the street, across the river from the banyan tree residences. And there you can see the magnolias and the Hilton, and in the back you have the icon Siam. Yeah, this is a really great place to just walk around. And what I said, if you go to Saphan Taksin and you walk past the Shangri-La Hotel and you just keep walking, you'll end up in this area. I will put a map in the description on how to get here. This is the Ban Rin Nan. It's a very nice restaurant on the river. It's not open now, but I'm a bit early. And here you have an old Chinese mansion. Have a quick look inside. This is actually used as a diving school. And you can go in here to grab a coffee. Yeah, we made a video a few months ago about the light festival that they had here, which was called Awakenings. And during Awakenings we also visited this place. So this is the bike that I'm using for who is interested. And this is how I look during my filming. It's hot, so let's go and move on. So here on this place you have the, let's call it famous Fiat car. I've heard this is a Fiat 600. Very popular place for pictures, and yeah, what I said, you can see a lot of engines in here. So let me show you a bit more. So you have a lot of houses here that are made into shops, and they are completely packed with engine parts, like little screws and everything. And it's quite interesting. There's a big one around the corner here. So here you can see it's just a pile of screws and motor parts. Just amazing. And when you come to this area you will see this a lot. If you're into engines, you should come and have a look in here. So this here is the Riverview Residences, and a little bit later I will go there and have a drink, which is the perfect place to do a pit stop. Yeah, it's very nice to see these authentic areas. So the Riverview is to the right here, but I'm gonna go straight. I'll show you a little Chinese temple, and we're almost on the river here. Sawadee krab. Oh. So here you have a nice Chinese temple, and you see the Riverview residence there on top. Yeah, this is all next to the river. Some local wildlife. And here again you have one of these motor parts shops, completely packed. So let me show you a little bit of the river. I'm not sure what this is, but it looks like they are constructing a kind of a coffee place or restaurant maybe. Very nice body tree here. I know the marine department is around the corner here, so this might be connected with that. So here we are at the Chao Phraya. The icon Siam in the back there. Yeah, you might have noticed that it's quiet on the river. Okay, let me bring you to the Riverview Residence. The sunset here are awesome, and you have an amazing view of the river. So there's an upstairs area as well. During the day this is a little bit too hot, so I would wait to come here in the evening. But the views are really nice. You have a great view of the river here. And normally when there's no pandemic, it's full with boats. It's very lively. And then here around the corner you have an amazing view of the city as well, with the Mahanakhon there in the middle. Yeah, so if you go during the day, I would recommend to stay one floor lower where you are in the shadow. But in the evening, this is just stunning. Nice spirit house. So if you enjoyed this update regarding the Bangrak area, feel free to subscribe. You can press the like button. You can leave me a comment. And see you guys in my next video.